Very good evening to all of you. Today I have with me Akansha and we are going to speak into the conversation of one-to-one interaction. So, hello Akansha.
Hello, sir.
A very good evening. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. So Akansha, before we start our discussion, let us first we know about you. Then we'll get into the discussion further.
Good evening, sir. I am Akansha Bhatnagar. I am doing BSc with Computer Science in KRG College from Gwalior, and I have to dream the travel world and making short video.
Okay. Akansha, you want to travel the world and you want to make soft videos and short videos, like you have multiple aims. You are doing BSc. So what is your aim ultimately? Can you talk about that a bit?
My aim is I want to become a IA officer.
You want to become an IS officer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any inspiration for you, like you want to become an IS officer? Any inspiration?
I have inspired that the girl name is Nitya. She is a brilliant IAS officer. That's why I want to become IAS officer.
Okay. Akansha, you are still doing BSc. So after BSc, you have plan to prepare for IS exam, or you will be going for your masters, MSc or what?
I will prepare IAS officer preparation.
The work of IS is immense, and it has a lot of opportunities and the power to do the best for the society, and people, they look at that person with a hopeful eyes, right? So you can do much better of your society. I just want to continue with, see, outside in anywhere you see situation or the problem related to the girls. So after becoming an IS officer, how would you like to tackle up with these problems?
I will help the girl for free education,
Okay.
girls, and making some schools so girls will be educated, and girls empowerment, and I will solve many problem in
Okay.
India.
Do you think means educating the girls is going to help them growing further? Because you see there are many restrictions. Girls are supposed to find out sacrificing their career and after the marriage mostly. So what is your suggestion for the girls, like you are also girl and you are studying and preparing for the exams like IS officer? So do you think education that is somehow will be able to change?
Education will change the girl's life, because girls are educated. That's why he do everything. She is independent. Education is a help the girl, because girls are educated. That's why all girls are educated, because most parents want to do girl marriage. That's why she sacrifice dreams, all dreams. That's why all girls are educated. She complete
Yes.
your dreams.
Akansha, we have seen especially at the backward areas where the girls are made to get marriage in their early age. Do you support the early age marriages? Like earlier, the girls were used to get married in 14 years, 15 years. Do you support that? And do you think it is right for the girls?
I am not support this. This is a big problem in our India. Every parent don't do this, because every parents will do our girls are educated.
Okay. How do you think about you, like your education and you? Do you think that your education is your major weapon?
My education is a major weapon, because I am educated. Because I am also a teacher. I am independent and I do everything.
Okay, you are independent, you are teacher, and most likely you are earning your expenses yourself.
Yes.
So it is a very good thing for the girls, especially when they earn and bear the expenses of their education or something. Fine. So like you said you're teaching. So you teach college students or school students?
I teach only school students.
School students means above primary or below primary?
Primary.
Primary, up to primary you teach.
Yes, sir.
School student, is it okay? Can you tackle the students very well because they are very naughty?
I will tackle because I scold many students, don't do this, why are you not complete homework, and I give punishment.
Okay.
Then next time they will not do.
Okay, you punish them. And how do you do that? How do you punish them?
Uh, finish,
You punish them harshly or mildly? How do you punish them?
I will punish, get out from my class.
Okay.
I could not attend
Mhm.
in my class. I could not attend.
Okay, you do not let them attend your class.
Yes.
Fine. What are the morals or what are the teaching from your side to your students they study in your class? What do you teach them mostly? I'm here not asking about any subject. What do you teach them?
I teach many good things, respect our parents,
Okay.
and and study seriously.
Okay.
Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time mobiles.
Fine. Tackling up with the children, it is extremely difficult task, and sometimes they don't listen to the teacher, so it becomes very frustrating for the teachers too. As you said, like you punish them, but most of the parents they don't agree with that. Earlier, the teacher used to beat the student, and parents they did not have any objection. But now you cannot beat the children. Are you in favor of not beating the children, or you still think that there should be some harsh punishment for them?
I did not beat children because many schools not allow beat children because parents complain in school, teacher beat my children. That's why I can't beat.
Okay. Akansha, as you said, like you want to become an IPS officer, sorry, IS officer. So how many hours you have capacity to study? Like how many hours you can study at a stretch?
I have capacity something 24.
24 hours. Okay. As we know that at the places like Bamar, hardly you can find out there is coaching and the teachers available to teach students the syllabus of competitive exam. So do you think like you have made your mind to go outside of Bamar to prepare for your IS exam?
I will go to Delhi for preparation IAS officer.
Okay, you will go to Delhi. Fine. Akansha, what are your hobbies? Like you said you want to record short videos or this. You have interest in technology, like.
My hobby is making a short video, taking selfie,
Okay.
and enjoy with my friends.
Fine. So, do you think so? Like this hobbies will going to be benefiting you something? Do you have some benefits in making these videos or something?
There is no benefit, but it's my passion.
Okay, it's your passion.
Yes.
Fine. So it's your passion. Like might be like you maybe trying for this acting or modeling or something. Like because many of the models they go for it.
Yes.
Like IS officer, she likes to make the videos or that. So don't you think so? It is a very complex and deadly combination to understand.
By short video, I will do many things for girls.
Okay.
In this type of video, I will.
How do you support the girls like by making the short videos?
Because every pupil operate mobile.
Okay.
Every girl see.
You make the videos which are inspiring or like it just for the fun. How do you influence or inspire other girls when they watch your videos?
I will inspire girls many type of videos.
Okay. Many types of videos like.
I will make education related video.
Fine. Akansha, I just have one or two few questions. What kind of girl you are? First, explain that. something about you. What kind of girl you are? If you have to describe yourself in one line.
I am not in 1 million, I am in 7 millions.
Okay, this is the perfect status punchline. So thank you, Akansa. Nice meeting you. So this was Akansa with us. Thanks for watching.